everyone, this is Chef Rochelle Boucher. I'm the corporate chef for Standards of Excellence, Westar Kitchen and Bath, and Florida Builder Appliances. So I get to play in the kitchen all the time. Now I love grilling time. It's all year for me. I'm going to show you how to make grilled shrimp skewers. Now you can just grill shrimp by itself, but I love the combination of shrimp and vegetables, but they don't cook at the same time. The secret to success is skewering them separately. It's kind of a simple idea, but it works. So what I did was I marinated the shrimp. I'm not going to marinate for much more than an hour. So I used a little bit of olive oil. I used sriracha, which is a chili paste, a little bit of lemon zest, and then some Old Bay seasoning. It's an excellent seasoning, and then a little bit of chopped parsley. I'm going to season with salt and pepper as these go on the grill, and that's really the first step. Now the vegetables, I have zucchini, I have some red pepper, I've got red onion. That's just a little bit of olive oil, again a little bit of salt and pepper, and some dried seasoning. Italian seasoning is a nice combination. So let me show you how to skewer those, and then we're going to cook them off in the pan. So to prepare the bamboo skewers, there's a lot of different sizes that you can choose. I soaked these for about 20 minutes, and I'm just going to give them a wipe with a little oiled paper towel. It really helps. And definitely check them for splinters. Now over here, I've got the shrimp all lined up and ready to skewer. I have 2 skewers. It makes the turning of the shrimp much easier so that they don't just spin around on a single skewer. And I'm just going to slide them head to tail. One challenge of cooking shrimp is that you want them to all cook evenly. So by skewering them this way, you're really sort of evening out the cooking, which is wonderful. So I'll do this, ooh, wrong way. Skewer those right on there, and we will be ready to cook these either on a preheated grill or in a grill pan. There you are. So I'm going to add a little olive oil to the pan. I've preheated my pan, and it's a nice heavy-duty non-stick pan, really good quality. But you can again use outdoor grill, whatever you'd like, but you're going to work quickly. So the shrimp goes on. Right now we've got our nice skewered shrimp. I'm going to season it with salt and pepper at this point. That. And then I've already cooked the vegetables ahead of time in a separate pan. Now you can add in vegetables into this pan, but you're just going to make sure that you cook it a lot longer. It's going to take a lot of time. So it's just going to be about 2 minutes on one side. We're going to flip it over, anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes on the other side, and we're ready to go. So that was easy. We've marinated, we've seasoned, we've grilled, and we have an amazing dish. A little bit of lemon squeeze on top, and that is a perfect way to make grilled shrimp skewers.